It is time to say thank you to Onyeze, who has made me to live like Umeze. Obodo ekwerewo na Jesus bụ eze, aka m dị n'elu Oluwa eze ndị eze. Oluwa's blessing is for everlasting, and his mercy endureth forever. In everything I do, blessing follow me. He never lets me down. Aka m dị n'elu Come on.